process you have to go through to secure a baby in the wintertime.
They're all wrapped up.
It's not just a fashion statement, people. She can't be a bad farm dog forever.
But she doesn't learn.
But she's got to learn. She's a year old.
Yeah.
She can't be a good farm dog if you never get her, keep giving her chances.
I do. You give her an inch, she takes it a mile and runs off to the neighbor's house.
But she needs 10 million chances. Only 9,999,999 to go.
You got that right on the first try.
I know. Whew.
What's that? Oh, you went already? Ooh.
God dang it, man.
Hey, it wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't for that wind.
Freaking hate you. Looks like a beautiful sunny day and we should be in shorts and freaking tennis shoes right now, but
it's probably what, 15 degrees?
yeah, at best.
Fahrenheit.
God, that wind is knife.
It is.
Thrustily, and the leaves are rustling gustily.
We're going, Sydney girl. Really?
I called in feed this morning.
Oh, thanks.
We're picking that up tomorrow at 10.
Okay. How's her feet all over the ground?
Well, that's what I was telling you.
Oh.
So I didn't have enough room between me and her at where the hog feed is.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to give them corn. Yeah.
Hi, Sabrina.
I also ordered them mineral block with feed.
Okay. How come?
Since the cows aren't on pasture right now, they don't get all the minerals from the fresh grass. Most of those dry out in the hay. There's still minerals and vitamins in the hay, but not as much. So in the wintertime, we put them on a mineral block just to make sure that we don't run into any deficiencies and that they are healthy. It's kind of like a vitamin.
How are we feeling today, cows? Wish I had fur like a cow. Whatever, hide, fur, freaking covered in waffles, I don't know. They look nice and toasty.
Yeah. Yeah, my fingers are actually cold right now.
Yeah, I know. Someone doesn't have gloves, so.
That was a bad idea.
Wonder what idiot forgot his gloves.
Water's not froze.
I'm surprised it's not frozen. That heater actually worked,
Awesome.
which is
Just
amazing.
put it up on a garden pole.
Yeah.
I think somebody's ready to eat.
He hasn't eaten since the last time he ate.
Look at his little ears. Oh, hello. You guys crack me up.
How deep it is.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get paid today too.
Yes.
You gave it yesterday.
I did not give them hay yesterday.
Yeah, it's a little low. Sabrina. Arizona, you're being a good girl, aren't you? What, the sows won't let you just come in?
Yeah, since they're your girlfriends and not mine.
Yeah.
Sydney doesn't like that.
Do
they need water?
No. I can't tell if it's frozen. It didn't move.
Oh, that's weird.
Look at this big elephant tusk. Look at that. Friggin' woolly mammoth. Oh, no.
It's just really full.
It's just really full. Use that another day. Well, that's why you get paid the big bucks. Went to college for all those years, right?
Yeah,
Those 8 years at Purdue finally paid off.
that's for sure. Something like that. 8 years? You're a dork.
The first thing I did, and then I just kept going.
You just kept not doing it? Hey, kitties! Not you, Arizona.
Hey, we're gonna let him be farm dog. Arizona, sit.
You getting chunky.
Where are you going? Just sit down. You're not in trouble.
Veronica!
You just have to listen and keep your arms off.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Arizona, she wasn't calling you. You're not a kitty.
Oh, there she is.
Shipping the rocker.
Uh-huh. She likes it up there. Hi, pretty girl. You want to come down and eat when the dogs are gone? You got gloves?
No.
Oh.
I keep leaving them places. It's a really frustrating thing for my wife.
Oh, you mean you don't put your gloves back where they go?
No, I don't even know where mine are that you bought me, honestly.
The green ones?
No.
They're in the storefront.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't put it. Oh, I did put it there. Never mind. Think we'll ever consolidate these chickens?
I was actually thinking we could probably do it soon because these ones are getting pretty big.
Yeah. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. The chickens don't like me. God bless, you guys are loud.
Here, I'll hold it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The one egg we get out of that chicken tracker. Holy cow.
What's wrong?
Look at that chicken tracker. It's all torn up.
Oh, from the wind yesterday.
Holy cow.
Okay.
Oh, man. It's ripped up all up there.
What's the other side look like?
About the same.
That's crazy.
I knew it was bad, but
I mean, it was what? 50-mile-an-hour winds, wasn't it?
all day.
Yeah, all day. It like didn't stop.
Hence why it's 80 degrees cooler. You think they need to?
Yeah. Can you do this egg? You guys can do this. I can't bend down.
We're almost done, Sydney girl. The tractor being damaged has me super nervous. Because, you know, once the part gets a little rip, it just takes off.
That's true. Do we still have that tape? We used that tape years ago.
I don't know where it would have kept. Because I feel like we just kind of use things for other things. That, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Do that one without your butt to me.
This is America's ass. Thank you.
As far as I'm concerned, that's America's ass.
That is America's ass.
So we decided to stop using the drop waters for these chickens because it just kept freezing when it got really cold. So we just have the pans out and it does really good with them. But yeah, and a bucket. Yeah, the other night I got up to pee in the middle of the night. It was literally 3 a.m. and I heard a rooster crowing.
Oh my God.
Why are you crowing at 3 in the morning?
Daylight savings time, right?
I guess. That's funny. All right, well, we'll go put these eggs in the storefront for customers to pick up. And if you're curious about all of the chickens that we have, click on this link here and see why we decided to do an experiment with our birds this year.